Hi friends, today I want to show you some videos. Look at the parrot. It is in my balcony. I will keep this food every day, so they will come and enjoy the food. So I just want to show this video because how I am enjoying, and if you want also you can keep this food near in your home or any balcony. What I am suggesting it is the food cost is per kg 80 rupees only. It will available in every aquarium shops or any pet shop. So not only for parrots, so many sparrows, any little birds, all they will come. So these days they are not getting the food outside. So if we help them like this, somewhat it will be better for them. So I'm just suggesting you a small thing. So if you are happy to do this, please do, and don't forget to keep water. See how many parrots I have in my balcony. It is very pleasant to see them. I just want to show my experience to you, so I'm keeping these videos. So please watch and enjoy the videos. Thank you.